Welcome back to Crypto Market Updates. Today is the 25th of September, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over a cryptocurrency exchange, a centralized, no frills, no thrills cryptocurrency exchange, Trade Ogre. As I said, this exchange is a no thrill, no frill kind of deal. They have a Twitter account which you can check out with 36,900 followers. Also, make sure to smash up the likes on this video and subscribe to the channel, and check out the Crypto Market Updates Twitter account, on which I post regularly. I try to, at least. The reviews of this cryptocurrency exchange are mixed. For the most part, I think they're pretty okay, considering that it, well, doesn't have as much as you would expect from a regular cryptocurrency exchange like that, what we're used to, the bigger ones. But Trade Ogre has been around for a few years now, since 2018, and it seems to have a decent reputation in the cryptocurrency community. CryptoWiser rates it 4 out of 5, 3.75 out of 187 votes. It has pretty low withdrawal fees. Taker fees and maker fees are at 0.2%. Some of the things that are, let me just show you. So let me just show you how to register with the exchange. It's pretty easy to do. If you go to Trade Ogre, you will be prompted to register. If you haven't registered with them yet, I've registered, but if you haven't, you can do that very easily by going to the website. There is no KYC, there is no verification required. You simply go to register here, and that takes you to this page where you enter your email address and a password that you create, and then you of course have to confirm your password. So it has to be a legit email. You go to your email address and verify it, and then you're ready to go. And so once you're back, you simply sign in. Trade Org has a funky little captcha. You have to complete the captcha. Just follow whatever is here. It does it twice, I guess, and off you go. And so this is what it looks like. It's a very straightforward look. Trade Ogre. The good thing about Trade Ogre is that you can mine directly into the account, into the platform. So I've got right now MEOW coin. It supports MEOW coin. My very first lot of mining was sent into Trade Ogre, so that's what I have here. Trade Ogre now supports USDT pairs. USDT pairs? Yeah, it does. It's got a bunch of USDT pairs. I guess there should be about 157 different coins that are listed here. From the major ones, you've got Bitcoin, Caspas here, Ripple, Ergo, Monero. You can find Privacy Coin, whatever that is, Noxa, Pandanite, Nexa, Stacks, and Katecoin, DAI, USDT coin, USDC. They've got USDC to USDT exchange, Shiba Inu Chainlink. So there's a lot of pairs here. There aren't too many options on the platform, which could be problematic to some people. I find it very easy to use. So if you go here, you've got account settings, security, trade history, balances, active orders, withdrawal, deposits, and so forth. If you go up to the top right corner here, you go to balances and active orders and logout. So right now, if I go to balances, I only have the 100 MEOW coins. So you could deposit, you could trade it. You can go to markets here, and that'll show you all the markets here. XMR, the USDT markets here. So for example, if we go to Caspa, you can trade on Trade Ogre. Obviously, you can trade against USDT pairs. So it's just like any other platform. I'm not sure what the prices are. The prices should be the same as everywhere else. So yeah, it's a relatively easy to use cryptocurrency exchange. And most importantly, it supports MEOW coin. So let's have a look at what people have to say. So like I said, the reviews for the platform are kind of mixed. Right now, there is a warning, or I don't know if it's right now, this may be a little bit older, but there was a warning of a fake support email address has been circulating claiming to be the Trade Ogre support. So this is not Trade Ogre's problem, or it's their problem, but it's not their fault that somebody's creating fake emails, right? So It doesn't reflect the platform itself. Supported currencies, there are 56 different cryptocurrencies, so I'm not sure if this is an up-to-date information. Yeah, there's no particular date on it, so I assume that this website is up to date and it has up-to-date information. The foregoing, so the problem with Trade Ogre is its domicile country is unclear. So it's listed as being in New York City. I think if you go to the website, you can Trade Ogre to it doesn't actually say anything where they're based out of. You can, if you have coins to list with them, you can do that as well directly through the website. There are numerous reviews online. This one has 2.4 review for Trade Ogre. This is revain.org, and there are some complaints, but they're very balanced. I think 4 pluses, 4 minuses from this guy, 1 plus, 1 minus, plus minus, 3 minuses, 3 pluses, 4 minuses, although this one is not listed. And the biggest concern is that there's no information on the founders of Trade Ogre. There is no information on where they're located, although I did find something somewhere that said that they're located in the United States. The trading volume is also quite low comparatively on Trade Ogre compared to other places, so that's another problem. But they've been around for 5 years now, I guess 6 years, right? No, 5 years. So if you want to make some deposits, if you want to mine directly into a crypto exchange, and you want to mine coins that aren't necessarily available on other exchanges, from what I understand, Trade Ogre is viewed as an exchange that offers crypto pairs that are rather difficult to find on other exchanges. Wooly Pulley has a quick review as well, and what they say is that Trade Ogre is a centralized old-school exchange founded in 2018. The owner of the exchange is unknown. The verification of trading and withdrawal of funds is not required. Support is provided via Twitter. However, the exchange runs smoothly and has an excellent reputation among the crypto community. Of the minuses, there is no USDT pair. That is incorrect. Right now, there are USDT pairs, so that's been remedied. And then it goes over some features of how to withdraw. One problem I've been having with Trade Ogre is the setup of F2A or 2FA verification. I've messaged them on Twitter support, but they basically said to refresh the page, which I did several times, and it just wasn't taking. It wasn't happening. So as of now, the two-way verification process is, for me personally at least, a bit not happening. So I don't know if it's my internet connection, it could be my internet connection or my service provider that's blocking me here in Korea from a lot of stuff. It could be different from you, for you where you're at, but I'd suggest check it out because it's a pretty decent looking platform. Like I said, it supports MEOW coin, so if you are mining MEOW coin, if you'd like to purchase some MEOW coin, you can do that on Trade Ogre. Let's have a look here. There you go, there's MEOW coin, USDT coin. Right now MEOW coin is at 13 cents, so if you'd like to purchase some MEOW coin, you can send some USDT into Trade Ogre and get yourself some MEOW coin. The trading volume, what is trading volume of MEOW coin right now? Depth, let's have a look. A lot of sell orders set for 0.00357 cents. A lot of buy orders are for quadruple zeros and 5 sevens. So there's some buying orders, mostly a lot of sell orders. So 60 million of MEOW coins being sold, worth $3,000 plus or minus. So like I said, the trading volume is not very significant. If you want to purchase it, no problemo. If you want to purchase large quantities of it, that may be a bit tricky, but nothing's stopping you from doing it. I hope this was informative. If you enjoyed, if you like Trade Ogre, then make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, because that helps me create more videos informing you of interesting stuff. And check out my other videos because they're also cool. And of course, check out Trade Ogre. By the way, there is no affiliation. They don't pay me for this, and there is no reference links for Trade Ogre. So even if I wanted to, I couldn't peddle it to you. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.